Good morning and happy Saturday. Today we were originally going to go to the farmer's market in Danville, but sadly it is storming out. But hey, there's always next week. But we're not going to let coronavirus or the storm ruin our fun day. Instead, we were planning on going to we found out some of our bowling alleys is opening up, so we might be going bowling, and we're also going out to eat. So as you can see, we're at our favorite Mexican restaurant. So in case you guys are wondering, this is like a Jarrito. It's like a Mexican soda. It's very high in sugar. So Kayla and I just finished lunch, and I'm kind of stuffed. I've had a fajita Hawaiiana, and thought about just kind of celebrating late because Stitch Day was yesterday, and check in that video if you haven't seen it. So the funny thing is, Kaylin set her LED lights into this setting. It looks like she's having like a party in here. As long as it's not like bright green, because earlier if it's bright green it's like she's into the netherworld or something. So we finally made it to the bowling alley, and we have these special emblems to help with social distancing. So we got everything all settled up, and Dad just pulled. So we are cutting it down to the wire for the first game, and I believe I actually beat my dad for the first time. Alright, so we're on round 2. So we had some technical difficulties with our ball. So the second round, Kaylin got her ball stuck again. So we ordered up some. So it's the 10th frame, and it's a really close game, but I think my dad's gonna win this one. So due to some technical difficulties, this is going to be our last round. So this is our final frame. I do declare that I think my dad might beat us. It's the next day, and I just had dinner and went straight to bed, and I had a lot of fun at the bowling alley. It's been a while since I actually bowled due to the coronavirus, but Kaylin was having a bad day, and she's getting frustrated about the game, and I was beating her. But it's all for fun, and the food I at our Mexican restaurant is delicious as always. So I need to get straight to editing. That being said, later gators.